Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about lines and angles. So line is basically a collection of points. Line is basically a collection of points. For example, these are the points. Collection of these all points, or we can say collection of infinite points in a single dimension. Single dimension means it is in single dimension. For example, these are all points are situated in a horizontal orientation, or collection of points in this dimension. For example, along y-axis. These all are called lines. So if we write its definition, line. So line is basically what? Collection of points in a particular dimension. So the dimension is clear. Line, for example, this is a line. Here some more things we can consider about line is it is endless, means both ends can be extended up to infinite. This arrow shows basically what? That these can be extended, these ends can be extended up to infinite, or this can be infinite. Okay, now come to its specialized version. For example, that is called ray. So when this line is bounded at one end, for a let's suppose this is, so here this can be extended along this end up to infinity, and this end is fixed, means from here it cannot be extended. So this is called ray. A line with one end fixed. And now the next thing which comes is line segment. So from name it is clear that it is a segment of line. Segment of line means segment of this line. If we take this part, so it has both end fixed, means it cannot be extended from this end, as well as cannot be extended from this end, means its length is fixed. Or we can say segment of a line. Line is infinite length, line is of infinite length, whereas line segment is bounded between 2 points. It can be denoted as this, and the ray can be denoted as AB, this type of arrow, and line can be denoted as this, both. And in our syllabus these notations are not used. This is generally written as line AB or ray AB and line line segment AV, etc. Okay. So this is all about lines. Now our next thing is angles. So in our daily routine, we can say when the lines intersect, or if we visualize these from some figures. For example, we have to make a model of hut. So this type of model is we have to make. So here some woods or some material that is to be used to make this are to be putted parallel. For example, these two are parallel, and some surfaces are this type, that means intersecting. So if we take this as this figure where the two lines, that is A and B, are intersecting at a point, and between these lines some space is captured. So this space is measured by a quantity that is called angle. Means the angle measures, or the angle tells about the space between these two faces or these two lines. If some more clear, let us take these ends as A, this is V, and this is C. So from here these two line segments of this angle are called arms of this angle. Let's say angle ABC. For this, AV and BC are arms, and B is the vertex. Vertex is what? Where both lines meets. Means this and this line intersect at point B. So this point B is called vertex of this angle, where lines intersect. So let us define it in words. Angle is formed when two lines intersect. Or a different situation from this is here first condition, and second, when angle is formed when two rays are originating from same point, and that same point is what? This vertex. Means from here two rays are originating from this same point. So between these two rays, the space between these two rays is called angle. So if we talk about types of angle, there are a lot of types of angle. For example, how they are here. For example, this is an angle. Let's take some different colors. So here this one is an angle. This is angle A. So and this is angle 90 degree. Okay, so the angles less than 90 degree are, for example, this angle is acute angle, and some more, for example this one, this one angle, let's say B. So angle B or greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angles. The angles which are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. So let us something more clear from here. Now, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, and these greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Now come to third category. For example, here this hole, here we have taken 0 degree. So these types of angle which are greater than 180 degree, are called reflex angle. And 360 degree, that means this whole angle, this is called complete angle. So these are the categorization of angles. Some more types of angles are for example complementary angles. Complementary angles. So complementary angles are those angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree. For example here, so this one and this one, that is A and V. So here the sum of A and V is equals to 90 degree. So here A and V, angle A and angle V, we can say are complementary of each others. Okay, one more thing we can discuss is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So in supplementary angle, if A and V, the sum of A and V is 180 degree, if then A and V are supplementary. From diagram we can understand this. Let's say this one is 180 degree and any two angles between this 180 degree. For example, this is angle A and this one is angle B. One more thing which is to be noted here is this angle originating from here, that is this, and angle B is originating from here. So not from here, because from here up to this ray total angle is 180 degree. So B is only from this ray to this ray. Okay, so these things are to be noted. For example, here this is A and this one is B. So okay,